time I did 28 man squad no buy no for the World's game no. You can say there are two not likely a be free goalkeepers no never ba.
Yeah.
And exactly a buy na no Solomon Agbasi and Paul Riverson. Omo Edna Entimi Amiki the cut to the World Cup. The only changes a buy jiku krani and so pra and penny for her say anka obitimi akwa Cup, but unfortunately Abrante Entimi Amiki Intino. Derek Lucasen ono and Abishimdi Ama Alexander Jiku. First of all, squad no who is saying
in all fairness, there was nowhere na ye bet me overhauling a blasters for the World Cup. In no football society and ebe qualify ko World Cup squad coach Benim say ye dey ko World Cup no ebe too many changes from blasters and I say the national team na saying utai who say omubo games nsi o baby enti on the face of it may assure say there are about between 75 to 85 to 90% of players are a squad we more. Ghana ni bia no wedi blasters echi will predict say omo edin be best squad ayeko World Cup. For instance, Atizigi, Benjamin Asare, Joseph Anan has been very, very consistent. So we're leading up to say ye be free your final squad for the World Cup. Now say goalkeepers are your friend miensa near from for a friendly games in the games are no. Majority of them have been these three goalkeepers. And yes, so Solomon Agbeshini Riverson mo a buyer because probably technical team no wanted to see if the old blasters is missing out of Obi Omunyam for many year. And at the end of the day, these trainers they've been very, very consistent with the blasters. Omuna nan say a time who more blasters in no finally enya the nod over Omo. Enyangwa. Now there was serious issue with our right back. And we still not have been able to solve it. Ali Dusedu, to some extent, Professor Dennis Odoy, to some extent, Tarek Lamte. These three, Anna, in the lead up to the World Cup qualifiers, and in the last 2 years, ya rotate you mo pa right back. Alright, this is the issue. Epra any dip of form kakrentino. Ali Disedu has been on and off your blasters. Epra enti Tarek Lamte kwade ye friend na chakakra. Amana se kwade yakwa terminating the contract mpo on the club because we pra ontimi mbo games no. For some funny reasons, Dennis Odoy went off and has never appeared again. He said Obama Nak brother our Holland team na Andra you Ebono. But I don't know what happened to Professor Dennis Odoy. But he's not getting a look in BM our blasters no.
That's what deep from no
sharp dodo.
Very, very sharp.
And to me I am wakakra. I am wondering why even the national team is not giving him an opportunity to prove whether we will be my, especially when
the toast.
We've not been wholesome at right back. Yeah, solving a problem. No, we've identified Kofa. They are giving us performance. Emir refit Dennis Odo intended, but For some reason, he went off and never seems to be coming back. I no cre time you discover and why start see a friend on national team no. Nanim fe no ko nanim dada. I no cre sir. But for a struggling national team, I said that any right backer was cemented position in there. I thought and Kobeba in out until say he be a permanent solution and start a be a ref, you know. But and sir, and when Ali Dussedu finally came back from injury, now Ostase or both games in the French league, now overboard the last part of your World Cup qualifiers, no, we knew our chance, but I don't know what happened. It seems Otuado I'm so much impressed by Ali Dussedu. And it's all where your both World Cup qualifiers in the your friendly games, baby, and Ali Dussedu name friend. I don't know of any other reason minimum Kameka ABA for personal reason or no catch a coach and say or buy and chair. Probably he need more club appearances to lift up the performance. It could happen. But no can say without the information I mean you know. Nan say why you call us nani ye na ni emfa Dussedu gidi sa. But Rich, see you be ko World Cup no obia say Ghana ye fresh squad ye nya right back. Ali Dussedu will be the first name about him. Until we called him. Then Marvin Senaya enya attention when we were looking for solutions. Nti team leader your right back ni options bebre until we were looking for Ghana for Beina omo right backs omo Europe and say omo ha ye betimi identify omo yes sad time no na ye bobo Kamal Dean formerly of Mediama I say ko Ayala ye bo Lord Amuamu edino sad time na Marvin Senaya bae. He got the opportunity to come into the Blasters for friendly games. No he didn't really impress me. But I also felt say those were ne fresh appearance in the Blasters. Until obey your time kakra to adapt.
Bond, yeah.
And that it will be so unfair to use only 2 games to lock in your final impression on the guy. And he had the opportunity to be part of 28. Rich. He has been training with the team under the ice. How's the Gani of Carlos Kures. And with the options now, he made it with Ali Dussedu there. Now, Gideon Mensah there, Metimiaka say, in Pempraise away team numua. Na upe senior players are probably apart from Jordan, Partey. I think he will come. Who boss senior mama but team nacha. He will be there. Now, Rich. The story about Gideon Mensah now. I think say Obien wa obetimi aka story no accurate. Because I am complicated. Look, he has been around. Even those days, Anaba Baraman was playing actively. Now, Onya issue in the national team. He has been around with other left backs. Time when I Gideon, any say they never be more no. Anytime you know any opportunity, he gives an impression. Say, oh, this guy is good. Look, and go for him Gideon Mensah. Unim say. Gideon Mensah was part of the Salzburg team. UEFA started UEFA Youth League, you know, or Jomoje and Crown Champions League, you know. He has been there. Gideon Mensah wanya never. Gideon Mensah was the playmate of I think this guy Luis Diaz, and defender no Manchester City no Diaz no the other name near them. I've forgotten the other name.
That Portuguese.
Yes. Was in that team too. It's Gideon Mensah. He's well traveled. Or a very, very experienced guy. Now, Rich, when Baba Rahman had his issues, I feel about to Gideon Mensah now to say he's the senior most left back now. I think that Ghana for he has not been very, very consistent. Obetimi am on nice game and yes. Inti on sheda nye Emma Harrison Afo Mune John Pencil mo make lateral defenders and Nansei or my Babon Ye or Blasters no where they were very consistent. Every game piano you could see say this guy was Jini Yama Bobon and Waboni Ye. Inti a bedroom maybe no Ghanaians were asking for competition for Gideon Mensah. And they thought say Eyakwa say because ono pe any din kese or left back on intino. Na only competition be ani trimu ya yen de. Unim say it is part of the reason why Derek Kun enya constituency in the memories of Ghanaians in 10 times ano. Because to Ghanaians we have found someone who is now ready to give Gideon Mensah the competition now here no. Whether that will sharpen him to wake up and give Blasters consistent performance or obe Koswada ama Deriku Natura, everybody will for our competition, you know. Then finally, yes, Carlos Kures etimia convince Baba to say Obeba back. Look, for experience, for current form, consistency at club level, say all ranking left backs are war Ghana. Baba is number 1. The number of games are all okay. The numbers in terms of the statistics, general blocking, interceptions, surging forward, the assists, Baba Rahman is the most consistent left back. Say all Ghanaians are mobile Europe. Our mobile position now. Now, me go too much in the minds of Carlos Kures when he was faced with Gideon Mensah, Baba Rahman, Derek Kun. But the bottom line is that the coach chose the first 2, Gideon Mensah, Baba Rahman. Probably, me sure say, Carlos Kures will think Derek Kun time beba. Ne time beso. And that's so or walk up now or short time to decide he will want to go with the more experienced ones no. And it's not as if say the more experienced one no once an form nyekra say eba form so this season club participation here there there kun embo omo so one umbo omo it's not as if say form no too higher than them na say oni omo nyina wo at least the same level. Na ebimpo bro so. Then when he asked the other attributes, experience, team cohesion, who be that, familiar with the team more, he will probably settle with Gideon Mensah and the Baba Rahman. So I don't have any issue with Rich. Unim say FIFA eka say or gather data. Na obi any article on countries never World Cup their injuries are I think Ghana will rank in the first 5.
The players not prepared.
And they are not mere players, they are key players to your Blasters.
They go World Cup. No trusted centre backs.
Yes, no more Salisu. No Starboy Kudus. Now you say Alicia Nyamo. A star boy, the rest beats me. Rich. Then we lost our most consistent, best centre back in our team, Alexander Jiku. Look, I spoke to one of the assistant coaches of the Blasters after Mexico game. Ntiminene bon komona no say Charlie. Problem ke sebi wo. And I'm saying no say Jiku Bana or Bano. Any enkoma or near D with the situation or they ban, it doesn't look good at all. I'm saying, hey, you knew Salisu. And look, you see, Jiku problem no. Rich, and yet just losing a big and informed player, we are losing leader. And in football, leadership on the pitch is very, very crucial, especially at the World Cup. And so you need a leader at the back, you need a leader of Fifi, you need a leader of Nimo, and you need an overall. You need leaders. So leaders who are able to command situations. And sometimes, it comes from natural personalities. The members of America say, Rich, see a bobo. Na say, your midfielders be consistently are out of shape. Na open defenders are omujino omachi and omu movement to shout and say, Ebi a caliber na say party. You are because say easily he will be able to say it easily Jikuba tia patatia yenchi atia kwasizibo atia Elisha say masa my too vulnerable, you are not protecting us enough because who the born do. But Rich, without him, Jerome Opoku, Abdul Mumin, Jonah, you know it's quite I say boom. So we blast us camper. Kasa crown kebi. Ochi anu call in teenagers. Derek Lucasen. You look at these players and you clearly see say we have a big problem with your centre backs now.
We are no crazy. Omo san nye players omo bomb.
They are not familiar with each other. Yeah. And you have a big problem. Now it is clear, Sir Rich. You go walk up here. Your weakest link is centre back.
Centre back, yeah.
That is your weakest link. Centre back, no. And when in football, Rich, your centre back, anything you're friend, the heart of your defense. Your defense, you mistake bako penalty, mistake bako goal. Your big problem, Rich. Yet is that Jiku Mekino. Do you know Jiku and Nuechi had to travel to Barcelona to go and see a specialist? Now I'm assessing on her say Obetimia working magic be. Nanka what your first 2 games you go on Timimba. Kobetimia atimia bo last one in Puna yetimia to aswa. He went there, he came back, and
one thing I love about him, no. Said,
very dedicated.
As I said, Onimbo and Bonnia are too dedicated.
Dedicated.
Look, so Sir Black Star Jessina. No Jina Park and so no Boba. What do you say? A branch and where ready say, Sebi. Send it to crown on the bow. A Bodiama Ghana, he's ready to do it. A dear come the penance.
When say Jiku accepted to play for Black Stars during Sika Kono time.
Yeah.
Jiku, ni parents splits. Or a half Senegalese, or a half Ghanaian, and your own of France. And Jiku could have played for France, Obetimabama Senegal, Obetimabama Ghana. Now, Rich, France, Senegal, Ghana. As at the time, Jiku took a decision to play for you, so all ranked 3 national teams now Obetimabama Ghana was the least. Yeah. But Unim says he can say Jiku didn't last 5 minutes on the phone to give him the assurance. So, Mababa Bama Ghana. Only in common omudi and the 5 minutes. It didn't take much to convince the guy to play. And Jiku, right from accepting to play for Ghana, any sense or share agency from day one, every Ghanaian appenasam or the Naibishim, you lose on who say any ya, you win who say any day. Say no man air Kosovo Park, you could see he is fully involved. And I told them, Rich, the Ghana for the players, when you show those attributes on the pitch, they are not saying do Caribbean as a BB, but support our Park. Obesu who say you are showing commitment to the sets. And look, during Jiku time, Ghana Blasters, we've gone through one of our worst phases in your history. But Rich, what is so be?
Well, one player, your Bobo Ghana game baby, you're saying. But a single Ghanaian no complain say,
say and one bobo born or born or butrim with the boy and I say or
playing so
unless one back and also we pra
I am me say na time I listen buy pa me tin say is that brand no on do make it the cat no I was like yeah ready me Salis wanko and then yes I message you so
a problem and on say rich yeah say go back in bar she walk up say acquire idea we've made heroes out of your defense. That is the reason why we see even your first World Cup in Germany, people still remember Sheila Iliasumono. Look at Boa in 2010.
South Africa.
Jonathan Mensah and John Mensah. People still remember them. Say they were the pillar of baby team could do. Super performances. And nobody come in.
You could know John Mensah.
Yes.
Who na know John Mensah in him?
Rock.
Obejina masa jina home semen ko jina obejina obra he's a defender but
your full package ball
good there erade
me in ultimate ready game no and osawo organization skills ni leadership wonimu natural Urefi say Jiku had problem with Otto because of one camping be afraid Jiku na I was a Jiku be na or my excuse be bad the following day. And yes, Jiku was part of our captain too. And me also say and Kakaros Kures going to this World Cup as a new coach Awabano. Say Rich na obe choosing the captains Eddie Omako World Cup na say Jiku Yafeta would have been part of the leadership. Now Derek Lucasin, Jonah Ajete, Abdul Mumin, Jerome Opoku, Kojo Pepe. Rich. Before we move on from the centre backs, have we missed out on a major name? Our centre back, Nana. I only think there's one player I wish he was part of this team, and I've mentioned it, Joseph Edu. Our Chota Vigo.
Onola mekai ye game ya o ye mistake bi.
Yes.
Ma ball fan
But for me, Rich, he's one of our most consistent, most experienced centre backs I ever. And also nya pra issues, but oba back with Chota Vigo no. Which he is part of the team I qualify to Europe. And Macau platform so and I'll repeat it. Rich, nobody can convince me say Jonas Ajete, Jerome Opoku, Amunimbo watching Joseph Edu as a centre back. Nobody can convince me that. Probably a will be preference. Maybe a coach in prefer Omo than Joseph Edu. But for me, Ubusam is a centre backs in the absence of Salisu, in the absence of Jiku, and names are okay. Why not? In Mimi opinion. Mijirisenka Owomua and Keye, but only more. Joseph Edu is the only strong name. There are others, but on the only strong name are Ebamu Ede Emame. In moving on, I made the man see on the Rich. Yeah, midfielders now. Osha the official announcement from the Ghana Football Association. Interesting, Rich. Omo de Fatah Wishahaku. Eko Midfield.
Because say omo de ba akro bi ebusai. Say na. Wishahaku de eden no midfield.
Exactly. And emo kakra. Because Rich Fatah Wishahaku de. He's a typical winger. Yeah. Yes, obetimi abo number 10 no. But ohwe ye timi ya freya. Rich say ye pem confirm ombobo number 10 mpa ye azumi so mo ye forward a. Enka ebe enesunuama. Ebe Christopher Bonsuba rather than Fatah Wishahaku. But we will get there. Rich central midfielders. Karibrienchi, Thomas Partey, Kwesi Zibo, Elisha Owusu. Again, the biggest name missing probably will be Majid Ashmeru. I don't know why Ashmeru is not lucky with our national team.
Even a friendly game against Mexico.
He
was okay.
Yeah.
Now I thought, look, this guy will make it to the World Cup, but I don't know.
You see, for almost questions, I said, Ashmero Dean Esochain, the Ayala Blasters. Who say, so Oba Ashmero Dean, Gideon Kofo, you say, Obetimia Yebibino. Or they compare the times you've given him opportunity, any real impact, rich and match it.
Because baby, I'm not the plan ever.
But I also think, say, it is so because he has not been consistent in the team. So the level of consistency of Obise Party, which automatically that will translate into impact. Because Party have had bad games and good games, but he's always there. So yes, opportunity now you're consistent in Quadia, then you have impact. But as Meruba, no co Oba, no Oba, no co. Apart from Prano, he's not getting consistent collapse. Rich, there are players in this team. Say Oprah, na o making himself available today, he will be called. I always say a plenty and can and Kakudus fit and can but so Oprah for a long time. Nyama a prayer for a long time. But by a we talk Asmero should have locked that kind of status in the team. Say, oh, you're too called to our team. Say on prayer, now you're available in Quadia, he will be called. And that is the only way we can get his impact in the national team. Consistent collapse.
It's a ball carrier.
Oh, come on.
Ashima Rukuta Bona. Too direct.
Meka is special. Meka, look, say, the generation here away as me for
Ashima Ru. Oh,
Meka comes across as Obi Obetimiama a bibi to Soronko, but he is missing. I don't have a problem with CMs, you know, central midfielders, you know. I think say medical premise, you know. Say her consistency, and say entire from more familiar. Say that's why your crowd say your blasters call up unim say ubebo mudin in and around the team. Elisha, Sibo, UNC, Thomas Partey will be there. Now, Obia will want to see what Augustine Boache offers. Memaka on this platform say until say Ofi Ghana League in the Marco from Wafano, he was the best player in our league. There is no doubt about that. And during those times, you know, everybody will be for debate, you know, I will debate him. Say the boy I'm a player, I will park in so Ombo na so player in Bobo. Augustine Boache was our best. Okoye, you know, he has been very, very consistent. Now, Rich, unim say in the story of football players, Rich, there are some talent. The national team are deliberate in pushing them to the next level. Bono Augustine Boache Nimbono. Rich, club football may not help him to get to where he wants to get to. But national team collapse will give him the platform for bigger opportunities to notice him. What I am saying is, may Bompire say, Augustine Boache will be part of those players now, Rich. Obo World Cup ni we are. Ni minutes be obenye bia World Cup and not just him getting the blasters on his CV kekeno. Emaye who say we free the League 2, League Weno, have a mainstay elite league in Europe. Then from there, he will become the big boy now. Not subsequently, what me abe ratim at the Amaye, which any more funny there. Apart from the usual debate of Joseph Pencil. Now I don't know if I am allowed to say this. Rich, unim say, and I had to tell someone on X. Unim say, I mean, I don't know how to say this. Me pe coin come up. I'm the Akasa information way because I am very, very sensitive. Unim say time a Carlos Cures or how did it or convincing Mpenyim for say this is in the squad no. Unim say baby I will do ya. Ofesi the longest debate. Odru animu hona and paying for find out there was no Joseph Pencil. The query was that deep. Back and forth. Even to the extent that there were some senior members of the panel. But there are some players here. Then Carlos Kure's answer was simple. Say, okay, if you want to purge me, the coach, to the player now I'm querying me with this particular player. This is why I picked that player ahead of Pencil. Carlos Kure say Obey national team coach. Now say you are faced with a call-up. The first thing you look at any player on a club form. Name a national team form.
Where national team has any eka.
And there are some players who do very, very well with their clubs, but gives you very little memory of national team.
And there's any players in Gibenya Bibru. They are doing very well on club level. But national team, memories.
But the problem, and say, until there's a competition for your position, until there's a debate, comparison, no, opposition, you know.
Okay.
And the young fan say, for instance, me player B in the list. Player B say me pobia, he gives Evans Antoine Semenyo. Semenyo at Bournemouth, at Manchester City. Look at his performance. And a sharp contrast when you come to the senior national team. It is like a Semenyo war. A competition giddy for the position of a national team with Obia. Ebia on shida nyadie bebre on the club level. Senior Semenyo in terms of the standard now. Any numbers no. But ye will be a national team ni mu. Rich, my example we. What was say? So we are national team coach. Now you see, I can one position per or a blasters. It is between Semenyo and Jordan Ayua. You get the picture.
Remember Jordan.
You get the picture. Jordan Ebo Leicester Championship.
Top level.
And you people crying Semenyo cry.
But the Black Stars down. We're the leading goal scorer.
That is the
overall performance.
Yeah, the overall performance.
That is the argument. So about national team anymore. What the memories are Jordan Eddie Ghanaians. You walk up here where he was a top scorer of the team. Any other you rap Ghana Blasters camper. And you say when you tip any Jordan. So that is where Coach Carlos Kure say, look, Nhyira prepare issues, say. But have you forgotten Nhyira share you go or Mali? Bamako, Nhyira scored. And the few data now me one. When I watch Nhyira and what he has done for the national team, say, are you available to me now? Ode me more obia. Now say me share the club numbers and kwa. Na me comparison. As an experienced national team coach, I want a player who performing with the national team than obia or they form if in the club ever. Rich, meeting us di.
I convince you.
No, so I'm convincing you, pa. Alice,
an explanation or
the reason.
Yeah, which a task more legit. Because a national team performance, a brand now ordinary debate. Oba mama that performance, our coaches now about coding now, as all the mama. But near mama, and it says our two players no and common yedi then I'll pick Nhyira head of
that is
Joseph Painter.
Now unu say I tell you I'm come already so dear do. Rich unu say Carlos Kure under this regime, two evidence he is the most experienced Blasters coach at this regime and it comes from a working relationship. The way he's able to decide, convince you why he had decided this. Any the examples he gives you, say, look, the reason why you came for me, enemy experience, is what I am bringing on the on the job. And I will tell you, baby, I know who to contact to get information on the person. Me will contact pass and because say obibo leak me per information I know who to call. This is my contact there. Over the years, or year, Jumamame. Then he went on to tell everyone, say, look, even in baby Ujidi say, what a better day for me to get information, there will be a Portuguese there. I will call. And see, say, me Jumana say, me go through data, me hear me background checks. Now my Jumani ye di amawa. Under no circumstances that may make Carlos Corres make my baby tina anymore. I will not have a justification for every decision I have taken. Rich, and now me know what I say. I don't know for other regimes, but there's not been any coach at the Blasters. Yeah, pointing at what about team anymore?
On this short time.
Or no, adding in ne nutrients about camp.
I know me who know.
Carlos Corres. Blasters Oko Mukampa, they have a chef on no. He's a very, very good friend of mine. But say the nutrients aba. Carlos Corres di biaba. Enti one abe no aduane no. But ono no obe say based on training here and then the players will need more of vegetables than carbohydrates. Based on training a coach Sebayan Ochina no pano, give them more protein this evening. And I said breakfast. So Carlos Corres is really elevating the standard of national team coaches since he was appointed. With the decisions normal now there are a lot of background normal me be based on me trying to say me trying to get information and what I chance upon to know. Rich Carlos Corres is really, really working. Manu Susumuna so si akwa work up we on na se enyoma anko ya. Rich, it will not come down to say we appointed the wrong coach. It is football. But it will never come down say we appointed the wrong coach for the job. It's missy. If you say there are sometimes you fall. It doesn't mean say you are only papa say you are not good enough. But things happen to you in life. No what to form, no what sorry. Which for the little that I have gathered with my credibility on the line, say Blasters, it will not be because Carlos Corres was not a good coach for your team and for the squad now. I think it's a fairly okay. So Ujai Ghana and Libya as the last time I catch say onye the national team squad my I don't think Obi in his fairness, pure fairness, will get more than 5. Difference will not be more than 5 in terms of your different opinions and Obi I consider say on team and your squad and from so fair enough from the coach. We will wish the team all the best. Squad need reach at least 90%, 95%. I agree with your friend Carlos Corres.
Amos Rako, per this squad, if possible, Ghana must sell a slot to Togo and take the money to manage the country because we can't win a